Hello, people. Welcome to Online Marketing Made Easy for Beginners. Yay! So, the class officially starts today. Finally! Wow! Can't believe we're actually doing this. I'm so excited and I'm really glad you made it. Thank God. So, we have 3 days to cover 9 modules. I already sent in the modules, but you could look through and you see that we have a lot to cover. So without wasting much of our time, I want to jump right in. But before I do that, I want to remind you that if at any point you need more explanations, you have questions or anything, feel very free to send in your questions, your conversations, discussions, and thoughts in the Telegram group, or you can send me an email. I will try to reply you as soon as I can. Alright, so first lesson today, the first module we're discussing is marketing. I want us to even break down what marketing is. If we're going to be discussing marketing, then we at least should have a clear understanding of what it means to market. Right. So, according to Big Grammar, marketing is a process of teaching, educating, enlightening, and informing your consumers, potential customers, target audience, and ideal clients why they should choose your products or services over those of your competitors. Now, marketing is all about constantly educating, telling, reasoning with your consumers. You're always giving them enough reason to see that you are a better option than your competitors, because whether you like it or not, whatever business you're doing, there is somebody else doing it, whether better or worse, but there's someone else doing it. So as long as there's somebody else doing that thing you're doing, he or she, that business is a competitor. Alright, so you need to always give your clients, customers, consumers enough reason to consider you instead of your competitors. It's not quarrel, but it's just what it is in business. So marketing is a form of persuasive communication. When we mean persuasive, it means you are persuading, but persuading doesn't mean you are forcing. Rather, you are giving them sound reason. You are appealing to them. All right, you are speaking to their doubts. All right, so when they come up with, oh, this thing is more expensive, you give them a reason why it is more expensive and why being more expensive is not a bad thing. Or if they say, oh, your products have so and so chemicals or components, and you're like, yes, this component is good for, you give them gospels, so you convince them, persuade them to always choose you. So marketing must be done because people need to find you. If you don't come out and say, oh, this is what I do, this is why you should use me, nobody will know you exist. And if nobody knows you exist, you don't have a business anymore. So every process that is involved in moving your product or service to the consumer, to the people that need it, is marketing. Everything you do. Alright? Promoting your product, moving it to the appropriate selling channels, finding people that will buy it. It's all marketing. There are 3 main primary reasons why you have to market. Remember, 3 reasons. Number 1, you need to grab the attention of the people that you want to buy. Those people are what you call your target market. Alright, you want them to notice you, to like you, trust you, and then buy from you. That is why you market. The second reason is to persuade them to purchase from you. And then the third one is to give them simple, safe steps how to take action. You tell them how to go about buying from you. That is the reason why you do your marketing. I hope it's clear so far. Alright, so if you are going to sell more, alright, if the reason why you started your business is so that you can be selling more, keep making more sales, increase your profits, if you have a plan like that for your business, alright, then you must include a plan to do marketing. You must have a plan to keep giving people enough reason, persuasions, educating your customers why they have to keep coming back to you. So marketing is always ongoing. It never stops. You have to keep. That's why you see big companies like Coca-Cola constantly running adverts. That is marketing. Because the minute they stop, people will forget them and run to their competitors. So Coca-Cola is always marketing to give us reason why we should choose Coke and not Pepsi, not Biggie. Do you understand? Yes. So anything that you use to communicate to your customers in a way that makes them to buy from you, makes them to choose you, anything you do, anything like giving them discounts, anything like running sales on your products, using social media to make posts, running ads on Facebook or Google Ads, even the way you display your products, right, colors you use, they are all marketing. Alright? Yes. So now in this course, what we are discussing is online marketing. Meaning that there are different other ways to market. If you remember back then, you always had this the idea I had of marketing was going around from office to office, jumping around. That was what I knew marketing to be. There was nothing like marketing online back then. But now you can sit in the comfort of your house and do your marketing and find people that need your product and convince them. So online marketing is selling your products and services over the internet. Doing it over the internet is marketing online. Alright, but for you to do that, you need to do a lot of research and analysis to find your target market. Please notice that I keep saying this word target market. There is a reason for that, but in the next lesson we will discuss and you will understand why I keep stressing it. So another name for online marketing is actually digital marketing or internet marketing. I'm sure you've heard about it. There are different types of online marketing, different types of digital marketing. You have social media marketing where you use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, different social media channels. There is podcasting where you use audio, just like the way I'm talking to you now, audio, to market your products and services. You could use blogs through your website. You could run online adverts on Facebook, adverts on Google. Okay. You could do email marketing where you write sales letters, try to use a copywriter to write to your audience to convince them to buy from you. You could use search engine optimization where you try to rank high on Google or other search engines so that people will find you easy. But this course, this online marketing made easy for beginners, our focus is social media marketing using Instagram and Facebook. So the type of marketing, online marketing that will be right for your own business will depend on the nature of your business. What kind of business are you into? Are you a service business? Are you a product-based business? The habits and demographics of your target markets. Your demographics is things like the age, the people you are targeting, their location, the sex, marital status, right, and your budget. Your budget is a huge factor that determines the type of online marketing that you will do. For example, now let's say you have a hair salon. Alright, you could decide to use Instagram for your online marketing, where you post pictures of different styles to showcase your creativity. You could decide to use Facebook to feature reviews from happy customers. You could decide to use your website, the same business using website just to talk about giving directions to people or to answer emails, so you don't have to post the same content on all your social media channels. It all depends on who you are targeting and the people that live on those channels. We'll talk about all that much later. Alright, so one thing you have to know, this course we're talking about marketing on Facebook, marketing on Instagram, and marketing means that you keep constantly trying to educate, communicate with your target audience, giving them enough reason why they should always choose you and not your competitors. So that is it. I hope this was clear. I would continue in the next module where I'll be talking about your ideal customers. If you have any questions, remember, send it in the group or you send me an email. I will see you in the next lesson. Bye.